What's up guys, welcome to today's video. It's a very special video today. It's a rather historic moment in the history of my YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing my first food challenge, and since it is the first food challenge, I thought I would get a veteran of food challenges to help me out. Today, we're starting off easy, we're going to do 10,000 calories each. Should be alright. Yeah. Okay, so if you like this video, like it. And the number of likes this video gets is going to be the amount of calories we're going to do on the next one, yeah?
So like 30,000 likes on the video, that's 30,000 calories.
She could be 10, I wouldn't play that blue. Got me a Benz, I bet I times that too. Puff in the cloud, do not disturb my mood.
It's about 3,000 calories right there.
Man want smoke, but can't strap their zoo. Itching for something, I might live the pooch, ain't no regular deal.
Are you excited? On a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
Excited, I'm hungry.
I need a number.
It's 11:30 in the morning as well.
Yeah, okay, so this is not ideal. It is 11:30, 11:35, and this is the first thing we're eating all day. Rule number 1 of a calorie challenge is start eating early so you have time. We have not done that. This is bad calorie challenge preparation.
Top time.
Yeah, I got dressed at 6 in the morning in the dark, alright, so cut me some slack, yeah?
Cheese and bacon fries, chicken shack, and the double smoke shack.
Why have you got that on top and I've just got friggin' a lid?
Because you like me.
I am pretty hungry, we've eaten nothing, so we need to start making some inroads into some calories. Let's begin.
Oh yeah.
Right, so rule number 1 of the calorie challenge is doing it early. Rule number 2 is not getting massive thick bits of lean meat. That goes against, again, every rule for a food challenge. Chicken breast is not ideal.
Obviously at this point it's all amazing because I'm starving. I'm not eating anything. We'll see how we'll feel at the end of the day.
12 hours time. In 12 hours time there's going to be a different...
We're trying to do this in 4 sittings. Like around 5,000 calories total each sitting. So 2,500 each. But I think this is 3,000 to be honest. But I'll put all the numbers up on the screen. So normally with the nutrition or food videos which I've done in the past, I do go into quite a bit of detail with the macros, the calories and so on. But with a video like this, quite a lot of the food we're going to be having throughout the day isn't going to have the exact macros on it. So the calorie totals for the Shake Shack meal which we had to start off with was 5,950. Apparently it's cold.
Absolutely hammered my brain.
It's getting so emotional right now.
Oh man.
It's having such a good time with me.
I'm drinking that way too fast. Woo! Okay. I confirm that milkshake was cold and it's damaged my like cranium.
I think if I tried to do that now, I'd throw up. Okay, so we've had a little bit of a break. Matt's just burning some calories now. And now we are in Earl's Court. We're going to try out a sweet place. It's called Brownie Box.
Sweet in a figurative sense, like us is so sweet, or like sweet
I'm
in
going
a
to say
physical,
both.
literal sense?
Both. Probably one of the best brownies I've ever had. Like, it's hard to explain. There's just a great deal of happiness.
Let's ask this guy, that's good.
A great deal of
Excuse
happiness occurring in the mouth
Excuse
when
me.
it happens.
Do you like these brownies?
Okay, so Matt's been really annoying right now, so I think he just needs his fix of brownies.
Yeah.
Yeah, real rolly make a good girl turn bad. She never seen us in her life before, nah. Real rolly make a good girl turn bad.
That one, is that the white chocolate one?
Yeah, that's the blondie.
Yeah, that. Could I have the red velvet one? Ferrero Rocher, the original brownie.
Yeah, it's getting original.
And an original one. 4 each. What time is it now? It's later than expected. It's 2:20.
We're at the 1 meal.
We've only had one meal, one of the 4.
We're sat outside by roads. If it's ridiculously loud, I apologise, but blame the government for building a road here.
We have a Ferrero Rocher brownie, beautiful. We've got a red velvet brownie here, very red, with what looks like white chocolate chunks in it. The traditional brownie here, which is probably just the traditional ingredients, we've got some more chocolate chunks in there, and we have the blondie with some more white chocolate chunks. It's about just under 100 calories, but liquid doesn't count. Unless it's a milkshake, that counts.
More semen.
Oh, that's good. Soft. Gooey. I don't think I've ever eaten. I've had 3 in a go on Saturday. For research purposes. So I'm going to be absolutely dying after this, I reckon.
This was probably the only sort of meal, if you can call it a meal, of the day where we didn't know the exact macros on it. But I really just wanted to go here. I had a craving for brownies and I just wanted to be a little pig. So I suggested that we go here. We spoke to the head chef and asked if she had any idea how many calories were in a square. And we came to the conclusion it could have been anywhere from 450 up to 550. So we just took the average of 8 brownies and came to the total of 3,720.
That's by far the densest one.
If at any point in your life you want to not like something so much, just eat loads and loads of it. And that's a surefire way to just dislike stuff.
My body is telling me it's had enough brownies. Last piece. One. Don't want to see another brownie for a while. And now I've got a treat.
Six more available to choose from, my friend.
Let's go for one of those cranberry and white chocolate, please. Yeah.
5 more.
Aim for the thing. Lower. One more. Sir, come on, quick, like this.
Thank you for choosing West Kensington from Domino's.
You're welcome. Can I order delivery, please? Please, can I get 1 large margarita?
Yeah.
And then 1 large Texas Ranch barbecue.
What's your name?
I'm Big Bad and Bashy. You don't know West Kensington, you get me, you don't know. Come get your pizza. You get me? Hey, what's your YouTube thing?
Mike Thurston.
Right, okay. How many calories is in a pizza? We've got 2 large Domino's pizza. We've got a ranch barbecue here. We've got a really, really exciting
Ranch margarita. Rancherita.
It's the full
called a rancherita.
It's basically a cheese pizza. And obviously it comes with these little garlic dips. And I thought we'd just have a bit of fun and get a big dip. You want to guess how many calories is in this bad boy? 700. No, it's like 600.
It's like 690 or something. It's basically 700.
Yeah,
in
700,
that.
700 calories.
What the hell?
I'm gonna eat that now. And if I don't, I'm just gonna pour the rest of it on your
If you
pizza.
pour it on my pizza, I will rub this in your face. What would your reaction be if I was to do that?
Oh, great. You haven't even washed your hands in ages as well.
Yes, I have. That's my slice anyway.
People say, oh, can we share the margarita pizza? And I was like, well, no, not really.
If we can. Food-wise, I think I'm ready to go. You ready to go, Mike?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. Well then, can you do a 3, 2, 1 countdown, please?
A 3, a 2, a 1.
Sick one.
Oh yeah.
That anyone that can get through that dip in one picture is a freak.
Flash
They're
here.
dipping way too much. Over dip.
I am an over dipper in general. In everything I dip. Oh, hey Mike, why don't you have me a dip? This actually is tiny compared
Just
to
try
that.
and drink a little bit of it.
It's not a good way to have that.
That is absolutely.
That's put me off the dip a bit. So Matt did the most he's done in a day is 25,000, which is pretty historical to be honest.
Like now, that seems. I'm very confident I wouldn't be able to do that anymore. Based on today, this is like not even 3 quarters of the
Does
way.
each food challenge get harder and harder?
Yeah. That's what I said though, like.
And you just have to top it somewhere.
I went from 10, I went like 10, 15, 20, 25, but they were all relatively hard. The 10k wasn't that bad, but like from 15 up, they were all really hard.
You go from 15 to 20 to 25.
Yeah. Every step, mate. And they obviously got harder, but they were hard. They weren't like, none of them were easy.
Do you reckon you could do 30?
No.
If you got paid to do it, if you got paid to do it?
No way, no way.
10 grand.
25,000 calories, I honestly thought I was dying. I thought that was like, I thought this is it.
10 grand.
No, I wouldn't physically, it's
20 grand.
physical limitation. It's not a choice, I'm saying physically would not be capable of doing it.
Poor effort that.
It's not a poor effort. I've done 10, mate.
Oh, you having some dip?
Fine.
Oh. The dip helps when things get a little bit dry and hard.
That sounds fucking weird. That is a lie, I do not want you to say to me ever again. What ruined that?
It's only going to get worse. He knows.
How you feeling?
Alright, you know, just definitely.
That is a lot of garlic dip. Dip. I would rather eat that again than even one of those brownies, quite frankly. Yeah, I feel fine. I feel like I could eat more. Your pizza was more calories and you had a lot of garlic dip, so you've made a good effort.
So you're going to have to eat more cookies then?
No, I'll eat more of the other stuff.
Been a long time, you're looking brand new. I said, yeah, it's been a while, you're looking fine too. She said, oh yeah, what's been new? I told her, come and catch a vibe and I can show you. You know that's my type of vibe. You know that's my type of vibe. You know that's my type of vibe. You know that's my type of, that's my type of vibe.
Are you ready for this? Okay, let's go, high five. Ah, I'll do another one, I'll do a better than that. Let's go.
We'll play that.
Damn it! Okay, elbows, okay, elbows.
That's good, that one.
It was a bad noise, right? This is the one, this is the real one. Yeah, right. Okay.
15.
I can put it out there, I'm gonna...
Not eat all of them.
Nothing is for sure in this world, but what is for sure right now is that they are not gonna be, they're not gonna be all gone. We just brought loads of random stuff. This is like, you've given an 8-year-old a credit card. An 8-year-old fat kid has gone to Tesco's with his dad's credit card.
It was a very weird shop.
Yeah, Mike chose these, pop chips, caramel yogurts, sour watermelon sweets, they're vegan.
Yeah, yep, vegan recipe.
Chocolate milkshake. Banana milkshake.
Unfortunately, there was no vanilla. Apart from this.
Yazoo. Haribo.
Another questionable shout, drumstick squashies. But they're new, we had to try them.
So I'm saying, right, I'm very much of the, generally what makes me feel sick, right, is too much fat, I find, too much creamy fat stuff. So I was against purchasing these, I wanted to go for more like sugary based stuff, but Mike has some kind of fat cream fetish, and so we had no choice.
I'm not massively into sweets.
And finally, Rona yogurts, because they're sick. Basically, the theory with most of this was, that tastes nice, let's buy it. We have no idea what we're doing here. We estimate roughly 5,000 calories to go, maybe 6,000 to be safe.
I'd say 350.
If we do 3,000 each, that'll be enough, I reckon.
Yeah, this is around 350
And if it's not, then we'll just vomit up the bits that were over, so we hit 20k bang on, you know? So we're going to just estimate, what are you starting already?
I'm smelling.
I was gonna say, Jesus, I'm smelling stuff. How do you even feel like eating that? So those two, 1,200 calories, mate, straight away. Boom. Right, count. We have
I don't want to drink all of that. That'll make me feel absolutely sick.
How are you eating those though?
Because when you drink liquid, it proper fills it.
You've got to track how many you've had. So you're eating cookies, so right, track the calories. I'm gonna start off with these, I reckon, because I'm intrigued to try them.
Everything which we got from Tesco, we could track easily. It had all the nutrition labels on them. Ben's cookies, it was a little bit harder, but we went on to MyFitnessPal and there was the macros for the different types of cookies on there. So the first attempt, we got to around 2,808 calories. So I'm just gonna have a little bit of a break now because me and Matt literally cannot eat anything else. So we're gonna do one final round, probably before we go to bed. This seating position is the worst when you're full.
Yeah.
Fuck me. I'm gonna sit like this now.
Right, I've eaten 25,000 calories in a day, yeah? Right now, I'm not even on not even 9,000. I don't want to eat anymore. I feel alright, I just feel a bit sick, I don't feel like eating any food.
Yeah.
Why? Give me some reasons for that.
It's because I think we started late. We started at 11:30.
Yeah.
It's been
We've done
well under 12 hours.
So we're going for 10k each in under 12 hours, which is different than...
What we
you think if you had your first
anticipated.
meal at like 6 AM and last meal at like midnight, that's like 18 hours. That is that's a 50% increase on your eating time, which makes a difference.
What I thought I really wanted in the supermarket,
I tried to explain to you.
I cannot face.
I tried to explain
I don't want any more cereal right now.
Would you listen?
I don't want any sweets. No. For some reason, I can eat more cookies. I think I'm a bit weird like that.
You've got a weird cookie fetish, to be fair.
Yeah.
I don't understand why that's the thing. Okay, so the game plan is as follows.
That's done.
We're going to try and do, Mike's going to try and do 2 cookies. I'm going to try and do the Haribo. Then we have these crisps, the milkshake. And that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that, I believe, will give us the following calories, which I believe will give us 20k in total. If our maths is wrong, and we eat all of this and it turns out we're under 20,000 calories,
and you have to have a cookie,
I'm gonna jump out of Mike's window, which is like 1 metre off the ground, so I'd literally do no damage, and then we'll just carry on with the video. Okay.
Final attempt, we managed to plough through 2,586, which gave us the grand total of 20,079 calories.
Woo! I let Mike do almost all of the cookies, and I did the other stuff. I was terrified that if I ate cookies I'd feel sick because I had the thing in my head from the brownies. I ate like a quarter of one of the cookies at the end and I felt absolutely fine, so in hindsight probably could have eaten more of those, but I did eat other stuff. I ate yogurts, I ate a friggin' bag of Haribo, most of those crisps.
22:42.
It is 11:15. We've done that in under 12 hours.
10,000 is doable. Anything more, and then that just, for me, I think that's outrageous. Like, I don't know how on earth you did 25,000.
Yeah, like,
you did more than double what I've had today.
Like sitting here now, I don't feel too bad now, to be honest, but there is no way in a million years I could now do 25k, even if we started at like 6 AM.
I want to see him do 30. I think you should do 30.
I'm telling you, I'm not going to do that.
I think you should.
Okay, but if our 2 videos get a cumulative 100,000 likes, then I'll do a 30,000 calorie challenge.
Yeah, I'll film you doing it. Yeah.
Yeah, you can be my cameraman. I'm the hype man behind the lens.
So I feel absolutely horrendous, I'm not going to lie. Can't really think straight, nor do I want to do anything apart from just go to bed now. So I'm going to go to bed and I'll wake up and I'll give this video a proper wrap up when my mind is working properly. So it's the next day, feeling far from fresh, but that's to be expected. Yeah, today I'm just not remotely hungry whatsoever. The only thing I want to eat is salad, vegetables, fruit, not even fruit, just something green. So I'm going to work out with Matt now, work off the excess calories we've had. Make sure you check out his video because he needs to get the likes on his as well, because we need to get him to do the 30k challenge. I need to see that. If he does that, I'm going to be there giving him moral support and giving him a pat on the shoulder and just shoving the food down his mouth if that's what it takes. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels and I'll see you soon.